Scaled Agile Frameworks, SAFe, are a set of methodologies that provide a framework for scaling Agile practices across large organizations. There are several SAFe frameworks available, each with its own set of principles, practices, and tools that are designed to help organizations achieve their goals. Here are the most commonly used SAFe frameworks. SAFe for Lean Enterprises, SAFe 5.0. SAFe 5.0 is the most widely used and comprehensive SAFe framework. It is designed for organizations that are transitioning from traditional hierarchical structures to more agile structures. It helps organizations to align their strategy, execution, and delivery to deliver better customer value. Large-scale Scrum, LeSS. LeSS is a framework that focuses on scaling Scrum practices for large organizations. It is designed to help organizations overcome the challenges of scaling Agile practices across multiple teams, locations, and products. Nexus is a framework that extends Scrum to help organizations scale their Agile practices. It provides a structure for teams to work together on large-scale projects, with a focus on transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Disciplined Agile, DA. DA is a framework developed by the Project Management Institute, PMI, that provides guidance on how to adapt Agile practices to suit the needs of different organizations. It provides a toolbox of Agile practices and principles that can be tailored to meet the needs of specific projects, teams, and organizations. The best use case for each framework depends on the specific needs and goals of your organization. Generally speaking, SAFe 5.0 is best suited for large organizations that are transitioning to Agile practices. LeSS and Nexus are more focused on scaling Scrum practices for larger teams, while DA provides a toolbox of Agile practices that can be tailored to meet the needs of specific projects, teams, and organizations. It is important to evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of each framework before choosing one that is best suited for your organization. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.